This video is about catching the queen using a queen catching pipe. Never used one of these before, wasn't sure how to use it, looked for a video on it and couldn't find one. So here's how it goes. It's got some foam that fills up the big end. Well, you take that out and you'll find your queen bee and put the pipe right over the top of her. Careful, set it down gently there so you don't smash her. She'll crawl up in the pipe. When you've got her in the pipe, then you can replace the foam. You have the other end that'll make it easy to send her in the direction of a queen cage. Let's try that. We can see that the queen has crawled up the pipe. She can't turn around when she gets that far up there. So if we take this and we put it at the mouth of the queen cage, she should crawl right through and into the cage. So now we either put our cork in there, or in this case we'll have our candy plug. That'll contain her in there. Suppose you could load up some attendants in a 3-hole type cage if you wanted to, using the queen catching pipe. Alright, that's roughly how that works. Seems like a little good little tool.